morning, guys. It is not that early, but I am feeling super sick, so that's gonna be fun. But anyway, we're about to head down for some breakfast, and then soon we're headed out on our trail on our first day of trekking to the Lama Hotel, where we will be sleeping tonight at 2,400 feet of elevation. This is the view out of our first hotel.
Good morning. We have some banana porridge and Tibetan bread with cheese. And coffee, of course.
We have friends. And bigger friends. I feel so bad for our porter. His name's Milan.
More coffee.
I love stairs so much. Stop for another water break. I love the prayer flags everywhere. What's up, guys? This lighting is horrible, but I just wanted to say I am so glad we didn't do the Everest Base Camp trek because this is hard. That's bee honey. They built it on the side of that cliff. Beehive, whatever. More stairs. Monkeys.
Oh, literally making fire with his own body heat. That's crazy. Doll bought for lunch. Doll bought power 24 hours.
That's where we stopped for lunch. Cool prayer flag.
Alright, so we stopped off for lunch at this village, I guess, called Bamboo, and we've hiked up 800 meters. We have 500 to go, so we ate lots of dalbat to give us lots of energy because we're dying. Although this is only a moderately difficult hike and we shouldn't be dying, but we're just getting back into trekking, so we'll be fine. It's beautiful. We've been hiking in the shade the whole day, so we're hoping to get some sun on the last leg of our trip. Yeah, we'll be ending at the Lama Hotel, so hopefully that comes sooner than later.
Our guide said not to worry because the path is gradually steep. Hate to see what his idea of steep is. In the middle of a coal bridge.
So were monkeys there.
Yeah, it's like right here. Yeah.
Look at him go. He's smoking us. Landslide from the 2015 earthquake.
Another water break. Guys, I'm dying.
I'm doing good.
Patricia's doing great. I'm very proud of her.
Oh, he left. Where's Matt? He's in there.
The back of all these videos is me coughing.